Hi, welcome to Valley Vista High School. My name is Tom Bird and I happen to be one of the graphic design teachers here. What you see in front of you and around me is my computer lab classroom where we teach graphic design principles. Graphic design here at Valley Vista is a 3-year program, and in those 3 years you will learn many different things involving graphic design, such as the principles of graphic design, methods and different goals that they have, position, contrast, repetition, proximity, alignment. All those different terminologies come into play in this 3-year program. The other thing that we do in graphic design is we learn some software, industry standard software, such as Photoshop, such as InDesign, such as Adobe Illustrator. We get into some photography as well, and we learn the basics of Lightroom. All things that you will learn should you choose to go into a career field of graphic design. And you can use these skills anywhere else you might be able to go. Case in point, one of the things I also take care of is the Valley Vista High School yearbook. In yearbook, it's a student-produced book. And every year, my staff produces a yearbook. And if you look over here on the wall, you'll see the yearbooks covers from when school first opened in 2006 and 7, all the way over here to 2013 and 14. And then I've also got yearbooks over here from 2017, 2015, and these are all student produced. So what happens is the students take the photos, design the spread, put the photos into the computer program from Jostens, write all the body copy, go to the events, proofread it, and make sure everything is done correctly. So when the time comes to publish it, it's all nice and complete. The cameras that we use, we mentioned that we have industry standard equipment. One of the cameras we have for us is a Nikon D500. This allows us to shoot pretty much high quality photographs. We use this one to shoot sports quite a bit because it's a faster camera. We also have a Canon, and that shoots for portraits only. All right? And so one of the things that we also do in graphic design is learning how to make posters, movie posters. All those movie posters you see in the theaters are done with a graphic design artist. So if you like to be creative and get graphic design, my name is Mr. Bird. Talk to your counselor, and I look forward to seeing you in class.